Hello, my name is Ethan Ramos. I'm a mechanical engineering student at the University of Texas at El Paso. I'm creating this video as a project to discuss the novel coronavirus. In December of 2019, the world began hearing about the novel coronavirus, or COVID-19. This began spreading in Wuhan, China, and eventually has now made its way over to the United States and has spread through 3.2 million people. I want to take this time to thank all those people who were working on the front lines, including doctors and nurses and anyone in the medical field who was helping treat those who are affected by the novel coronavirus. There is a large group of people who have been working tirelessly also trying to help those who have been affected but haven't received as much recognition, and those people are researchers. As soon as this virus began spreading in China, scientists began trying to isolate this virus and be able to develop a vaccine. Scientists from China began sharing the genome of the virus isolated to a global database where researchers around the world used to try to develop and isolate the structure of the virus. Trying to create a vaccine for a virus is much more challenging than people can even imagine. The reason that they start with trying to isolate the structure of the virus is because they need to identify the protein structure in order to develop antibodies that will be able to inhibit the virus. Researchers from the University of Texas at Austin were able to isolate this protein structure. With the use of incredible technology, these researchers were able to create a 3D model of this virus. As reported by the NIH, researchers have found that this virus has mushroom-shaped proteins called spikes, which allow themselves to fuse with human cells, allowing the virus to enter the human body. Infection can hopefully be prevented or slowed by disrupting this process. Researchers have already begun clinical trials testing possible vaccines for the COVID-19. Hopefully within the next year, we will see a possible vaccine being distributed around the world. Unfortunately, a vaccine cannot be created faster, as this would be very unsafe. So what does that mean for us right now? Well, we need to be very, very careful. We need to try to stop the spread of this virus or slow the spread of this virus. When people say flatten the curve, they mean that we want to stop spreading it as quickly as possible in order to give our healthcare providers more of a chance to take care of the people who are sick without being overrun. Although this virus is much worse for people with pre-existing health conditions, healthy people need to do their part as well. This means staying home and not spreading the virus to people who cannot protect themselves. If you can work from home, please do so. If you must go into work, please wear a mask. Wearing a mask can help you not spread the virus to other people, and when all people wear masks, it really decreases the risk of other people contracting the virus. Do your best to stay informed. Looking at Twitter, Facebook, Instagram to get your information is not the best way. There are many resources offered on the NIH website and the CDC. Also, you can look up scholarly articles that show the research that is being done currently on the coronavirus. Until these researchers can create a vaccine, we must do our part in helping stop the spread of this virus. So please stay home.